这是 Jackie Chan，这是 Wild Auto Complete Interview。3, 2, 1, go. Okay, the one drop. So take this one first.
能说几种语言？
I can speak Cantonese, Mandarin, a little bit English, and Shandong, Shanghai, a lot of Korea, Japanese, and Taiwanese. Not many, 8. Whoa. Doing his...
own stunt.
Yes, I'm still doing my own stunt. Why? Because even now, today, the technology is so good, but the world audience still like to see Jackie Chan doing their own things. Maybe 40 years ago, I can do a triple kick, boom, 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 boom. Now, 20 years later, the double kick. But now I do one kick. Okay, I just do show the one kick. This is I'm doing. If right now jumping the floor, no, I do need a double now. Stunt.
Double，你的替身是谁？
It depends. Like when I have drive a helicopter, we need some professional. When I doing a triple kick, then I have 100 students. We can in the middle. I can pick up who do the best, who do this, who do that. Oh. Training. I have my training camp with all my stunt team, like 3 hour. Mostly time we punch and talking, kicking, and think about the choreograph, how to different than some other movies. Use what kind of weapon and chair and the board, how to fight with the board. Yeah. What is Jackie Chan's first job? First job when I was I was a child actor. First movie, same. When I was 7, I was like an angel, and I'm singing. 快传肌肤把天地白. That's me. The first job, first movie. 这是什么?
Famous quote.
My famous quote? I can do it, never give up. Whenever I do the stunt or look at the dangerous things, I say, I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. Don't give up. Boom! Then I jump. Then breaking angle. Then break my skull.
你开什么车 ？What car does Jackie Chan drive?
The first car I drive, the boss gave to me as a Volkswagen. The one, exactly like Karate Kid, the Jaden Smith, I was break the car, the same car. Right now it's Toyota Alpha. More people can sit down, easy. Not like it used to be a sport car, but now I'm most comfortable as possible. More low key as possible.
Next one.
Right on your face. Oh. No. 这是什么?
有没有纹身？
No. My family rule, no ear hole, no tattoo. Even my son.
可以唱歌吗？
Can I sing? Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever you do, oh how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. Fighting. Okay, another one. Why so many questions? Huh?
现在住哪儿？
Where I'm living, I'm based in Hong Kong, but right now I'm still in Beijing. I'm filming in Beijing right now. And this moment, I'm in Myanmar, between China border, filming in the jungle.
现在在哪儿？现在此刻人在哪儿？
Now, right this moment, I'm in London.
你在哪儿学习的 martial art？
Oh, my teacher from China. There are so many teachers at that time from China. So we teach singing, dancing, stick fight, knife fight, kicking, punch, all kind of things for 10 years.
长大？
My father, I'm growing up in French embassy until I'm 7.
下一部电影是什么？
And I'm filming Panda Project 2. The first one last year was a release. This year we're making a Panda Project 2, filming between Yunnan and Myanmar's China's border.
你的打斗的 style 是什么？
When I'm in the school, I learned Southern style. After 10 years, I learned Northern style. So I know both style. Southern style more jumping. Northern style more on the ground. Not so many jumping. And after that, I learned karate, hapkido, judo, boxing. I learned so many things because at that time we don't have a cell phone, we don't have a karaoke, we don't have anything, and most important, I don't have money. Mostly time we stay in the dojo school, gardening with all friends. That's how we spend every day. Not like this day, you can have to karaoke, drinking bar, mostly cell phone. We don't. But I'm glad because at that time we don't have these kind of things. I training a lot.
中国名字是什么？
Oh, when I was young, I was very big, very fat. So and Chinese name call me Pao. It's like a canyon. My mom speaks Shanghainese. It's called me Apo. In the embassy, everybody call me Po. I thought it's English Po. It's not Shanghainese Po. My father went to Australia American embassy. When I get there, everybody call me, what's your name? I said, okay, my name is Paul. And that time I want to learn English. Then I go to the night school. Then the teacher asked me, what's your name? I said, my name is Chen Gong Seng. No, your name is Stephen. I said, okay. Embassy, Paul, school, Stephen. Then I went to the some worker. Then my friend bring me there. Then do this guy have an English name? No. Okay. He used his name, put on my name. His name called Jack. In Australia, I have a Paul, Stephen, Jack. Then Jack. After 9 months, I know a little bit English because Jack Chan, no rhythm, just like a fighting. Then I put a Y, the Jackie Chan. Then after that, when I make a movie, after famous, I signed to Golden Harvest, and the Golden Harvest said, Jackie, you're too strong, too man. You have to change a little bit. Then they take out the Y, they put the IE. So you see 80s, my poster still JACKY. But after 80s, always JACKIE, Jackie Chan. Believe it or not, after I changed IE, my career just boom, 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 boom. They will stop. No?
你最喜欢的食物？
Oh, I like any food, but I don't like animal stomach inside. Especially these days, not many steaks. I don't know why. Now I like more soup, vegetable, fruit, mango, bread, croissant. I tossed a lot of board. This was very fun. I see you next time. I need more board. I need more question. I need you know more about me. Bye-bye.